Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove quick access icon from Windows 10 File Explorer. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click Explorer. Right-click, New, DWORD, 32-bit value. Type Hub Mode. Double-click to open, change value to 1. Close and exit registry. Quick access icon is successfully removed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.